Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'm going to show you my 90s inspired pop look. 90s fashions are coming back, which I'm so excited about. 90s makeup looks was very diverse. People use brown, purple, green, and even blue. For today, I decided to do purple look, but I still wanted to make it more natural. So apart from eye makeup, everything will look natural. I had such a fun with creating this look, so if you guys want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. First thing first, corrector. I've been trying different correctors and this is my current favorite one. It is light to medium peach color but more in pink side. So it'll be great to cover under eye circle with both purple and blue tones. Mine is a bit purpley, so this shade is great to cover the area. I'm going to apply around my eyes and lips to brighten them and blend the tint with my fingers. It has light to medium coverage and you can see that it instantly brightens the under eye area. And also I don't feel dry at all with wearing this, which I love about. To create a soft canvas for intense eye makeup look, I'm going to use a tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer is different from conventional foundation as this one has really light and sheer coverage. And it literally feels like moisturizer. It hydrates the skin and while at the same time it evens out the complexion. When I first tried this one, I actually didn't like it because I couldn't see any differences before and after, but after trying a few more times I could see that it evens out my skin tone very naturally and beautifully, and I like the result. So I'm just simply applying all over my face and blending to the skin with my hands. Before moving on to eye makeup, I'm going to prep my eyes with a eyeshadow primer. It provides a smooth canvas to apply eyeshadow and help it stay in place. Especially if you do intense eyeshadow look like today, it is good to use it to get better result. I'm going to apply on my lids as well as my lower lash lines. So this is the most exciting part. I'm going to start with these two different purple eyeshadow. First shade is dark purple with a bit of chunky glitters. Second one is shimmery burgundy shade. I'm going to mix the two shades to create more unique purple shade. I'm focusing on the crease first and then slightly build up the color. Take another fluffy eyeshadow and blend with dusty pink shade. Keep blending until the edges disappear and look softer. To make the eye makeup look more purpley, I'm taking the purple shade I used previously again and apply onto inner corner of my eyes. To make the look sophisticated, I'm going to use light brown shade to blend everything. I'm also going to take dusty pink shade again and apply it along my lower lash lines to get more defined look. I'm going to apply purple shade again on mainly the outer of my lower lash lines, but using really tiny flat eyeshadow brush. To make it look softer, using a Q-tip, I'm going to smudge all of them. After that, I'm going to clean in between lower lash lines and upper lash lines to make my eye look more open. After curling my lashes, as always, I'm going to put some eyelash primer to make my curl last longer and get more volume. While it is drying, I'm going to tightline with brown pencil eyeliner. The reason why I choose brown is I wanted to match it with my eye color to make mine look more natural. And then I'm going to put some mascaras. This is the one I am currently obsessed with. This mascara gives intense volume on your lashes and it will not miss any single hair of your lashes because of its sophisticated applicator. This is a sample one, so I think I'm gonna get full size one after finishing this. For a more dramatic look today, I'm going to put one more coat. After that, I'm going to do brows. If you think about 90s brows, it would be something overplucked and tint arch shape. But as I'm doing a more natural one, I'm going to leave it as natural as possible. I'm going to use this eyebrow powder, which is my favorite, and filling my brows really lovely. And then I brush them a lot to mix it well for a natural look. You could skip blush if you want to, but I'm going to add a little bit flush on my cheek. This has really sheer pigment in it, so it will not look too pinkish on my cheek. And then last but not least, for lipstick, I am doing matte pink lip today. As my eye makeup gets all the attention with glitters, so I want my lips just look like my lip color. This is more pink shade and goes really well with purple eyeshadow look. So this is the finish with my 90s inspired pop look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. During this time, I am more experimental with different colors and makeup, so please let me know if you have any looks you want me to do. I hope you guys all safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!